Naghahanap ka ba ng budget meal na van pero quality at syempre pwede mong gamitin mong family or business mo? Check mo tong van natin. I got it! Good morning guys! Another day, another unit. So meron tayong new arrival dito. Napaka-cute ng van na to guys. 2009 Suzuki ATV natin, manual transmission. Exterior ways tayo, fresh, original paint, naka-manual side mirrors ka. At 15 inches wheels at makakapal ang gulong niya. At sa pinakaloob niya guys, napaka-fresh na steering wheel yan. Analog display with 54,000 kilometers on the clock only. At syempre, napaka-fresh ng dashboard niyan. Traditional infotainment system, climate control, may ashtray ka dito, manual transmission, wala siyang center console. Pero meron kang mini storage space at napaka-fresh ng leather seats ito at napaka-intact din ang headliner niya. At sa second row guys, nothing special here pero maluwag yung legroom headroom niya, 5'10" ang height ko. At sa third row naman, nothing special here din, maluwag yung legroom headroom niya. At syempre, alam niyo ba, 8-seater pala tong van na to. At syempre, pwede dito yung family mo na 8 pieces. At sa pinakaharap guys, meron kang napaka-poging headlight at napaka-poging Suzuki grill at 2 ang ending. May bakal ka na rin pala dito. At sa pinakalikod guys, meron kang napaka-cute na stock taillights dito at may bull bar ka na rin pala. Nakaya ako. At sa trunk space niya, it's an 8-seater ATV at syempre napakaluwag ng trunk space ito. At syempre kompleto yung tools, spare tire, and jack. At yung engine na to guys, it's a 1.6 liter gasoline engine manual transmission. Wala yung engine na to dito ha. Nandun sa pinakaloob niya, nasa gitna. At syempre, yung kondisyon ng mga ano yan, napakasariwa nito. Magdala ang scanner, mekaniko para ma-assure mo. Kaya kung gusto mo ng budget meal na van at 8-seater na pwede mong family or business, ito na yung van na para sa'yo. So, this is 2009 Suzuki ATV natin, manual transmission. Kaya kung gusto mo ng costing to, for only 265,000 guys, mauuwi mo na tong coaching to. At syempre, open tayo for cash, trade-in and financing. Sa financing natin, napaka-basic yan. 1-day approval tayo. Ay, bawal na pala yung financing to guys. At syempre, for cash only lang pala to. At syempre, pag cash naman, para alam bumili ng candy. At syempre, we have all over 50 units dito sa Dars dyan. Kaya na pang hinihintay mo, tumawag ka na, i-reserve mo na ng coaching to. Baka maunahan ka pa. Thank you guys. Peace out.